friends, in this video we'll learn how to draw a cake. That please subscribe our channel and visit our site for all the kids competitions. So let's draw it. First of all, we'll make two vertical lines at a distance. Then we'll join the lower end of these two vertical lines with the curve. Join the two upper points of these vertical lines with the same curve and draw another outer curve as you can see in the video. Now I'll designing the inner part of the cake with these curved lines. Now I'll draw the candles. Yes, I'm going to make 3 candles like this. Now design this cake with some more designs. Here I've used the circles. You can use any, like dots, stars, any. So here the sketch of the cake is done. Now use multicolors to color this cake. Yes, you can use any colors to fill the inside part of the cake. Now time to color the candles. Yes, coloring is done of the cake. Now I'll sketch the cake with the black sketch color so as to make it more attractive. Yes, this cake drawing is done for your birthday party. Please subscribe our channel and visit our site for all kids competitions learning.